So next up, guys, do another walk around video. So this is another 2017 Stoughton. Be a 48-foot van trailer, 13.6 tall. Like I said, there's a group of these, 3 of these in total. There's 2 2017s, 1 2021. Just doing the walk around video, showing you the blinkers on the sides working, your taillights all work. I'm pretty sure all the side markers work as well. Rubber looks to be in real good shape. The guy that pulled this in, guys, said that it pulled down the road good and straight. So obviously air brakes, spring suspension, interior is in really good shape on it. Floor looks good, roof looks good. Got your, I guess I got to show you the tail lights. I'm sure you saw it, but tail lights lit up, blinkers going, clearance lights up above are all going as well. Yeah, if you're looking for a few good van trailers, it's a good set of them. So there's just a quick walk around video. 2017 Stoughton 48-foot van trailer, roll up door, spring suspension. A pair of these identical, guys, and then one that's a little bit newer. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.